Hiwalay na si Bea at saka si Dominic Roque. As we talk today, yes, hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea. Last night or 2 nights ago, nag-usap yung dalawa. Ano ang status? Wala. I think, kung tama ang aking source, Bea ay isinuli na ang kanilang engagement ring. But are they hoping? Ako ang hula ko is yes. Kasi hindi naman, you don't say, tomorrow I'm going to stop loving. Yung prenup po ay medyo na-shock ako because ang pagkakaalam ko po, many months ago, napag-usapan ho ito sa aking pagkakaalam. And I'd like to confirm this with my friends, my sources. Because when this was being talked about, yung prenup po, ang nag-volunteer sa nanay ni Bea na okay ang prenup ay si Dominic. So I don't think it is and it was an issue unless nabago po yung kwento.